Hello, have you ever smelled that delicious aroma of fresh garlic being sautéed in the pan? Or perhaps you have tasted a slice of bread with garlic butter, melting in your mouth. Garlic is an irresistible culinary ingredient that can transform any dish into a unique gastronomic experience. However, have you ever stopped to think about the benefits garlic can bring to your health? In this video, we'll explore the many benefits of garlic and show you how this amazing ingredient can significantly improve your quality of life. You'll discover how garlic strengthens the immune system, improves cardiovascular health, fights inflammation, and much more. So be sure to stay to the end, because you won't want to miss the opportunity to take advantage of all these benefits. Believe it or not, the pain of not consuming garlic goes beyond simply enjoying its taste and aroma. It is about missing the opportunity to strengthen your immune system and protect your body against diseases. It's passing up the chance to reduce the risk of heart disease, control cholesterol and triglycerides, and promote your heart health. It's giving up the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of garlic, which can help fight premature aging and protect your cells from damage. Imagine the regret of not taking advantage of garlic's antibacterial and antifungal effects, which can help fight infection and improve your overall health. And think of the missed opportunities to add a healthy, flavorful twist to your salads, stews, and favorite dishes, simply by not including garlic in your regular diet. So don't allow the pain of not consuming garlic to become a part of your life. Keep watching to find out how to incorporate this superfood into your daily routine, in simple and delicious ways. Learn about the benefits of garlic, and enjoy all the positive aspects it can bring to your health and well-being. Now that you're aware of the pain of not ceasing to consume garlic, it's time to dive into the benefits of this miracle ingredient. Keep watching and find out how garlic can be the secret to a healthier and happier life. Benefits of garlic, an overview. Garlic has been valued for centuries for its medicinal properties. It contains active compounds, including allicin, which are responsible for many of garlic's benefits. Let's explore these benefits in detail. But first, please enjoy the video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our health tips, and activate the little bell to receive notifications. And it is also very important that you share this knowledge with your friends and family. Because when it comes to our health, it is essential to share information to promote prevention and take care of everyone's well-being. So share it. And tell me, do you like garlic? Do you put it in every food to make it tasty? What part of the United States or the world are you from? Write it down. Let's go. Benefit 1. Immune system strengthening. Garlic is known for its immunostimulant properties. It can strengthen the immune system, making it more resistant to infection and disease. Regular consumption of garlic can help prevent colds, flu, and other common illnesses. Benefit 2. Improved cardiovascular health. The benefits of garlic for the heart are widely recognized. It can help reduce blood pressure, control cholesterol and triglyceride levels, and improve overall heart health. Incorporating garlic into your diet can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Benefit 3. Antioxidant properties. Garlic contains powerful antioxidants that help protect cells from free radical damage. These antioxidants help fight premature aging, strengthen the immune system, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Benefit 4. Anti-inflammatory action. The allicin present in garlic has anti-inflammatory properties. This can help reduce inflammation in the body, relieving symptoms of conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. Benefit 5. Antibacterial and antifungal effect. Garlic has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. It can help fight bacterial and fungal infections, providing relief from conditions such as yeast infections, acne, and urinary tract infections. How to incorporate garlic into your diet. Now that we know some of the benefits of garlic, You may be wondering how to incorporate this powerful ingredient into your daily diet and for your health. Here are some easy ways to add garlic to your meals. Tip 1. Seasoning for savory dishes. Garlic can be used as a seasoning in a variety of savory dishes. You can mince garlic and add it to stews, soups, sauces, marinades, and stews. The rich, intense flavor of garlic will enhance the taste of your favorite dishes. Tip 2. Breads and toasts with garlic butter. A delicious way to enjoy the flavor of garlic is to prepare bread or toast with garlic butter. Simply mash a few cloves of garlic and mix them with softened butter. Spread this mixture on slices of bread or toast and bake for a tasty snack. Tip 3. Addition to salads. Garlic can also be used as a tasty ingredient in salads. Finely chop a few cloves of garlic and add them to your favorite salads. Garlic will add a unique flavor and a healthy touch to your meals. Tip 4. Garlic supplements. If you prefer not to use fresh garlic in your meals, there are garlic supplements available on the market. These supplements are convenient and can provide the benefits of garlic in a convenient way. Frequently asked questions about the benefits of garlic. Here are some common questions about the benefits of garlic, along with their respective answers. 1. Is raw garlic more beneficial than cooked garlic? Both forms of garlic have health benefits. However, raw garlic contains a higher concentration of active compounds, such as allicin. When cooking garlic, some of these compounds may be lost. Therefore, consuming raw garlic may be more beneficial in terms of medicinal properties. 2. Can garlic help with weight loss? Although garlic is not a miracle food for weight loss, it can play a complementary role. Garlic has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which can be beneficial for overall health. In addition, garlic has an intense flavor, which can help reduce the consumption of high-calorie foods. 3. Can garlic cause bad breath? Yes, garlic is known to cause bad breath due to the sulfur compounds present in it. However, this effect can be minimized by chewing parsley, mint, or rinsing your mouth with mouthwash after consuming garlic. 4. Can garlic help lower cholesterol? Yes, studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can help lower blood cholesterol levels. The compounds in garlic can help lower LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol, and raise HDL cholesterol, known as good cholesterol. However, it is important to note that garlic consumption must be complemented by healthy eating habits and a balanced lifestyle for best results. 5. Can garlic help strengthen the immune system? Yes, garlic has immunostimulant properties that can help strengthen the immune system. The compounds in garlic can stimulate the production of immune cells and increase the activity of white blood cells, which are responsible for defending the body against infection and disease. 6. Can garlic help relieve the common cold? Although garlic is not a cure for the common cold, some studies suggest that regular consumption of garlic may help reduce the severity and duration of cold symptoms. This is due to garlic's antiviral and immunostimulant properties, which can help strengthen the immune system and fight the viruses responsible for the cold. So garlic is an incredibly versatile superfood with a wide range of health benefits. From strengthening the immune system to improving cardiovascular health and fighting inflammation, garlic offers valuable medicinal properties. By incorporating garlic into your diet regularly, you can make the most of these benefits and improve your quality of life. Remember that garlic is most effective when combined with a healthy diet and a balanced lifestyle. Always consult a healthcare professional before making major changes to your diet. Enjoy the benefits of garlic by adding it to your meals and exploring delicious recipes that highlight the flavor and benefits of this amazing ingredient. Discover how garlic can be a powerful ally to your health and well-being. Did you enjoy the video? We hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, activate the little bell to receive the notifications, comment on your questions and suggestions, and share with your friends and family. I will leave 2 relevant recommendations here that are appearing for you, and remember to subscribe. And until the next video. Thank you very much.